Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. It has been a while since we've seen each other. I took a sabbatical. 1 year sabbatical off. I was pregnant. Hubby and I had our 7th child. And what else has been happening? I just had to stop and pause and figure out some marketing strategies for just what I needed to do for my business, for my artistic endeavors and videos and whatnot. So I'm back here, and we actually are going to be doing just a really fresh new perspective of how we're going to take this art, what we're doing for art, fantasy art. That's pretty much what we're going to be doing here on this channel. Creative art tutorials for fantasy, mythical creatures, inspirations from different other fantasy art for fan art, that sort of thing, whatnot. It's just going to be like a mirage of different types of things kind of bundled in together. And each week we're going to take our time and do every single one. Not every single one, but you know what I mean. So, but today we are going to be, I'm going to show you a tutorial on a painting, a drawing I did with Procreate, and for a fantasy creature, and just the reference point of that, and how I actually came from zero all the way up to the point of how it just developed into a interesting sage creature, or a sage person, whatnot. So I'm going to be showing that to you today, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Subscribe, like this video, and so you guys can follow and that sort of thing, and we can get on with it. So without further ado, I'm going to stop talking now, and I'm going to show you the tutorial of the video of my sage fantasy character made from Procreate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you later. So thank you for coming over to my channel, guys. Thank you for subscribing and following me. You can also reach me over on Instagram, on Twitter, and here on my channel, YouTube. Even if you also have ArtStation, if you happen to be a artist, a conceptual designer, artist, whatnot, and you're loading up there. A lot of people don't know too much about ArtStation, but it is actually quite new. It's more of like a European-based social platform for artists, concept designers, and etc. So yeah, catch me up over there. And also I'll be letting you know when I start my new Patreon account very soon. Link me up down below. I have all of the links of where you can actually find me on my official website, and so on and so on. I'll catch you later. Bye.